we have complex fraction. First, we have to check what kind of operations we have in the numerator and in the denominator. We have addition and we have algebraic fractions. So, to add, we need to have the same denominator. We have variable a, so I can make fraction with a. The same will be with b. Let me copy first fraction. I can put a over 1, and the same I will do in the b, will be b over 1 plus a squared over a plus b. What next? We have fractions. We need to have the same denominator to add these two fractions. So for a plus b and 1, the common denominator will be a plus b. I have to just multiply 1 times a plus b. To get a plus b the same, I have to do with numerator. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator always. And 1 times a plus b to get a plus b, the same with numerator. So now we have b squared over a plus b, we have to copy, and we have plus. We have in numerator a times a plus b, and the denominator is 1 times a plus b, so this is a plus b. And in the denominator we have a plus b times b, so I can write that this is b times a plus b over 1 times a plus b as a plus b, and we have plus a squared over a plus b. So this is equal. Now when we have the same denominator, we can copy the denominator a plus b, and we have to just add numerators. So we have b squared and we have plus a times a plus b over, and in denominator we have the same situation, the same denominators, so we have to copy denominator and we add numerators, b times a plus b plus a squared. So this is equal. Next, we can only do multiplication in the numerator. The same will be here. So I will now change this fraction bar to division, because fraction bar means division. So we copy first algebraic fraction. And we have division now. We have to copy the numerator. So now, when we have division of algebraic fractions, we have to copy first algebraic fraction. We change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction. So it will be a plus b over b times a plus b plus a squared. Next, because we have multiplication, here is like a plus b and a plus b I can put in parentheses. Now we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. It means this whole expression I can put in brackets. I have to multiply by a plus b. But let's check first. We have multiplication here and here. So, and the same term in parentheses. So we can cancel out 8 plus b and a plus b will be 1. So now we have in numerator 1 times b squared plus a times a plus b. So this is b squared plus a times a plus b. And in the denominator we have 1 times this whole expression in the brackets. So it will be, I can put first a squared plus b times a plus b. Now, because we cannot factorize here anything, so we cannot reduce, so this is my solution.